Cheers. Just having a Asahi. It's a dry beer. It's very nice. Got it from Aldi. Carbonated. Hello everybody, welcome back. Happy New Year. Welcome to this channel and all that stuff. I'm still here. In Gippsland we are experiencing one of the major bushfires we've ever had in our life. I'm about an hour away or so from the bushfire region, so I'm pretty safe, so everything's fine in my end of the world. But there are a lot of people over there that I know that are being evacuated, and they're gone. They're pretty much leaving their place to the fire and see what happens later. On that, here's a toast to the fireys. If you guys have a beer, have a toast with me. Cheers. Go on your fireys. And another toast to the people who are suffering through these fires at the moment. Good luck to you guys. Hope you can make it through. Cheers. So this channel, we're going to, the first thing would be I'd like to go to Firkin Cellars and brew an all-grain brew there and film it in their store. So anybody can come down and be part of that brewing session. So you're all welcome, but I doubt you'll all come, but you're all welcome. The next thing I'd like to do this year is brew Morgan's Australians series of beer, which would be great. I think there's 6 different Morgan's beer kits out there. So I'd like to do that all in sequence, so within a 6-week period. And I would like to go to some breweries this year as well and take my cameras and do some filming. Hopefully talk to some people over there. Yeah, so that will be a couple of challenges for me this year to get me out and doing stuff outside of where I am and outside of my comfort zone. So thank you very much for subscribing. Thanks for being here and part of it. And I hope you enjoy your 2020. It's going to be a good one. Cheers. See you later.